Samar. Samar nagdala ng bola, tumira. Basket by Samar. Dribbling the ball. Nice steal ni Samar. Samar take shot again. Basket. Gilen. Pass to Samar. Samar take shot. Oh, there is a foul. Basket by Samar. Samar tumira. Basket and again by Samar. Samar tumira. Basket. Galing ng Samar. Wala. Rebounded by Gilen. Basket. Take shot by Lucas. Rebound by Samar. Basket. Nakuha ni Anggor. Take shot. Basket by Anggor. Basket by Lucas. Another steal by Lucas. Lucas, take shot. Second attempt by Lucas. Lucas, basket. Wala. Rebound by Anggor, tumira. First try. Basket by Anggor. Rebound by Samar. Samar first try, basket. Samar pass to Lucas. Lucas takes drive, basket by Lucas. Last 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Basket by Lucas. Ngunit, naibalik. Lucas. Tama ang score po natin. 31-30. Basket by Lucas again. Last 3 seconds na lang po mga kaibigan. Samar inbounding the ball. Pass to Dylan. 1!